Hi, all of you. I hope you are doing well. Now we are going to discuss two more models in counting number of triangles. See here in this model, here I am taking like this. They may ask the question like this: how many triangles are there in the given shape? How many triangles are there? Total number of triangles: 1, 2, 3, 4, and this big triangle. Total, how many we are having? 5. Very simple. Okay, you can count also. Suppose the same question, same model, not same question, they may give multiple triangles like this. Up to this, how many we are having? 5. And inside also they will give like this, multiple triangles like this. And because of this one triangle, total 4 partitions we are getting. That means here also because of this triangle, again 4 more partitions we got. Okay, then this already we counted in the first figure. Okay, that means if it is not there, for example, total how many we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 partitions. And because of this again 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, why? Because this already we counted. And again inside one more triangle like this they may give. That means each triangle, whatever we are drawing inside, that divide the triangle into 4 parts. Then because of this first triangle, here we are having 4 parts. Because of this second triangle, 4 more parts. Because of this triangle, 4 more parts. Okay, and this big triangle, 1. Total how many? 13 triangles. That means each triangle, whenever we are drawing one triangle like this, that is making the triangle into 4 parts. That means 4 into number of triangles plus 1 is the logic for this. That means, for example, if we are having like this 1, 2, 3, 4. Just count 1, count number of triangles like this 1, 2, 3, 4. Because of 4 triangles, 4 into 4, 16, and this total triangle 17. Okay, clear? This is the next model. And sixth model, small modification to this one, that is sixth model. Here they will give the partition like this. After this they will give like this, here, here, and like this. Okay, before drawing these lines, total how many triangles we are having, Amma? 5. Okay, before drawing this we are having total 5 triangles. And because of this partition, what are the extra triangles we are having? Just count here 1, 2. Then because of this also 2. Because of this also, because of this line also again 2. Why? Because this already counted. Okay, that means how many extra we are having? 6 extra. Already we are having 4 plus 1, this big triangle. And how many partitions total? How many? Because of this lines total, how many extra we got? 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 we got. Then total how many triangles we are having? 11 triangles. And for this, like this, one more question. Okay, now here like this I am having. Here they make like this, and inside also like this. Then now tell me how many triangles are there. Just observe, forget about these partitions first, and remaining how to count you know very well. Inside how many triangles are there in whole triangle? 1, 2. That means 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 2, 8, and this big triangle 9. 8 plus 1, 9. Plus, and just partitions here 2, 2, 2, 6, and here also again 6. Then total how many we are having? 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 9 is 21 triangles. Is it clear? This is the next model. Okay. Sometimes they may ask simply how many triangles are there. Just observe here. They did partitions up to here only like this, but here inside no partition. That means first forget about all these lines. Then remaining, what is the formula or what is the logic to count? 1, 2, 3. Because of 3 triangles, 3 into 4, 12, and the big triangle together is 1. Now observe the partitions here. Here we are having 6 and here 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Be careful, here no partitions. Okay. Then total how many triangles we are having? 25. This is the another model. Now we'll see next model. These are the models. They will give one triangle and they make the triangle into some partitions and they will ask how many triangles. Means in triangle shape we are counting how many triangles are there. And one more, last but not least. Listen carefully. 7th one. Okay, this is the next model. Observe here in this model, in all sides, all the 3 sides we are having equal partitions. For example, this is one triangle, 2, 3. And this side, if you take this side, 1, 2 and 3. And this side, 1, 2, 3. That means if you observe here, on all sides we are having equal number of partitions. Okay. Then in this type of model, how to count number of triangles? Here for finding number of triangles, here we have one formula. Okay. If you are able to remember, you can remember the formula. Otherwise without formula also we can do. First I will give the formula, without formula how to do I will give. Next I will give the formula. See here, just count how many partitions are there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. On all sides should be equal. Then only we can do like this. And take the numbers here. How to take the numbers means take 1. Now sum of these two. 1 plus 2. How much? 3. Now this 3 plus 3 you have to take. 3 plus 3 how much? 6. Means like a cumulative frequency. 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3. That means nothing but 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now write the numbers beside in reverse order, and by skipping the starting digit means alternate numbers we have to skip. How means here whenever 6 means we have to start here means put a cross, otherwise you can take 0, no problem. And write the next number as it is. Next again skip the next number. That means put a cross, otherwise 0. Now just add these numbers column wise here and here. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Plus 3. How much 10 plus 3? 13. This is the logic for this. Suppose if you want to do through formula, here the formula is n into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 minus 1 by 8. This is the formula. Here n is nothing but number of partitions. How many? 1, 2, 3. If you substitute here n as 3, 3 into n plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5 into 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 minus 1 by 8. Then how much it is? 15, 15, 7 ja? 105 minus 1, 104 by 8. 8 1s are 8 3s are 13 we got or not? Yes. This is without formula, but it is with formula. Here the formula, a small modification according to the number of triangles. Here if number of triangles on the base is even odd number, this is the formula. But if number of triangles or number of partitions is even number, you have to remove this minus 1. That also we'll see here. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Just actually because of this drawing we are getting one more looks like, but think just it is matching. Okay. Next. Observe here. Count here. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On all sides we are having same. Then what is the logic? First take 1, 1 plus 2, 3. Next this 3 plus next number. 1 plus 2 over. 1 plus 2 how much? 2 we got 3. This 3 and next number. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Okay. Listen once again. First write 1 as it is. 1 plus 2, 3. This 3 plus 3, 6. This 6 plus next number, 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now what we have to do? Here, skip the first number. Means in second column we are writing. How to write means from bottom to top. First skip the first number whatever it may be. Here, bottom to top 10 is the first number means skip. Means you can put 0, otherwise you can put cross. Next, write the next number as it is. Means 6 write as 6. Next again what we have to do? Again skip. Means alternate numbers we are skipping. And remaining we have to write as it is. 1 we have to write as 1. Now what we have to do? Find their sum. 10 plus 6, 16 plus 3, 19 plus 1, 20 plus 6 plus 1, 7. Total how many triangles we are having? 27. Now we'll check through formula. Here number of partitions n is 4. 4 is even. But here this is the formula if n is odd. If n is even means simple modification for the same formula, only a small change you have to do is n into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 by 8. For whenever odd number of partitions we are having, minus 1 is extra here. That is the only difference. Now substitute and check whether our answer is correct or not. What is the n value? 4. 4 into 4 plus 2, 6 into 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 8. 4 2s are 2 3s are 9 3s are 27. Yes, then this is the next model. These are the models we are having. If you have some clarity on all these models, in exams the combinations only will come. Then you should try to understand the problem first. Definitely you will answer the question at any cost. No doubt at all. Okay. But first you should practice more number of problems like this. Then definitely you will get the solution. Have a nice day. I think so it is clear for you. Thank you.